Alright, today we got a 07 Yukon. We're going to be changing out the oil sending unit. That's the AC gel code number. And then the little screen underneath. This is the Dorman number. Should be using a 1/16 or 27 millimeter. You'll probably need the pick to get it out. A little joint because you can't get a straight shot at it. I tape it up so it doesn't bend and flip around that much. It's just another 1/16 I have, whichever one's gonna work the best. 6/6 extension and a ratchet. It's not the easiest thing to do. But you'll have to pull the cover. Like that. And then on this side, we can't see way back underneath here. That's where it's gonna be. You might pull this hose out of your way for your booster, and also this other hose here for your canister, I guess, or air from the gas tank vent. So we'll get those things out of the way, and then we'll try to get that old one out that you can't see. So after a couple of hours, this eBay one or Amazon ended up breaking. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but because it was down, and we got this standard one, it went right in, it fit right in. We got the old one out, and the old one fit right in the socket. That one from Amazon did it, and I had to buy this one separate, but with the standard one, it came with it. I just threw it in this box, but it came with the same one. So standard at O'Reilly's, $48, but you get this with it. I think I got that from the Jungle website for like $5, $6, $8 or whatever, and then the other one was $25 or something. But I'm not sure what happened there. I think this Delco one somehow defective. It didn't fit in the socket right either. But yeah. Anyway, it took us more than an hour. And it works. So it took care of the light and the gauge. And that's where it normally set at 40. I'll have to clear that code.